Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel, and today I will be showing y'all my squishy vending machine. So here it is. So y'all can see it. Like, there's the light here, the lights right here. I put it on and off. So I'm just gonna give y'all a demo. Here is my coin. See if y'all can see it. Yeah, y'all can see it. Inserted in my 25-cent slot. Tilt it. Put it in. Just trying to turn my knob. Right? Okay, so here's my price. I got this very cute bunny slipper. It's a Shopkins season 2. I think it's a season 2. I don't know. So we're gonna go on to the back of the mechanism. Let's go. A couple things fell. Well, like the search, which that's gonna go there. Sorry, I was just doing something. Those two things back. So let me show y'all the mechanism. Okay, opening it up more. Sorry, my real squishy fell. One of my real squishies. I have a couple, but I'll get that later. It's okay. Okay. So here's its mechanism. Can y'all see the mechanism? No, y'all can't. I can't get y'all to see the mechanism. For some reason, I cannot get to see the. Y'all get to see the mechanism. I'm checking. Okay, so I'm just gonna give y'all a little demo of like trying to get the camera to focus. Okay. Tab it so y'all can see. So, okay, guys, so y'all can see the mechan. There's a now right now. So, right here is the coin slot. Sorry, y'all can't see that. That's just okay. This one, I'll fix it later. But that's just where your coins fall. I only have 2 coins because I just get my coins out. I can't really show you, but okay. So, here's how the mechanism. There's this water ball thingy for the squishy or Shopkins, whatever falls. Sorry, my ice cream, super soft. Oh, okay, guys, I didn't actually make this. I bought it, or else it would be these sprinkles or this pretty coloring. So, yeah. Just putting everything back, including this bunny slipper I got out of the machine. Something else fell without me telling it. Okay. Sorry guys, I'm gonna have to fix this later, so sorry about it, but kind of messy. Okay, so that's starting to push out. We don't want that. Chocolate tail. Push this back in. Turn the knob. Probably make it super tight. Let me see if y'all see what I'm doing. Yeah, go. But yeah, y'all can't kind of see what I'm doing. I'm just pushing it up, and you'll have to start with this upside down, or else it won't really work. Sorry if y'all couldn't see me, but I'm just on the machine. Okay, guys, I can take back the phone now. Not my phone. So, here it is, all better now. So let me just give y'all another, like one more little demonstration of this. I'm just gonna insert a coin. I don't really care what coin, it's just a coin. Show y'all. I'm trying to show y'all. Okay. Putting the coin. See me. Okay, guys, I'm sorry. Sorry, I'm supposed to get squishy, I hope. This squishy won't fall, guys. So what you do if it's like not gonna. Okay. So let me end this video. So thanks for watching. Please click like and subscribe, and in the comments down below if you made a vending machine, or if you have one, what type of mechanism will it be, and what will you put